Alright, so if you know some special triangles, they can help you find trig ratios, no matter what quadrant they are in. Sine 210, here's some axes. Where's a 210 degree angle? There's 0, there's 90, there's 180. 210 is 30 degrees past that. Right there would be a 210 degree angle. But what we really care about is the reference angle is 30 degrees, right? This line is 30 degrees off the horizontal. So 30 degrees, what are the measurements of this triangle? It's one of the specials that we're supposed to have memorized. It's got a root 3 here. It has to be negative because it's off to the left. I remembered this, that the two 3's go side by side, the root 3 and the 30. The little side is the 1, also negative because it's going down, and the hypotenuse is a 2. So these three numbers come from the special triangle that you have to memorize. Now that you have that, and we've got the signs correct here, this is negative because it's to the left, this is negative because it's down, the sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse if you're a SOHCAHTOA person, or it's y over r if you'd rather, either one. So that's negative 1 over 2. That is sine 210. If you want, grab your calculator, put in the sine 210, enter, and it should come back minus 0.5, which tells you the calculator agrees with you here. Cosine 300, 0, 90, 180, 270. So there's a 270 degree angle, and now 30 degrees past that, that's where the 300 degree angle is, right? 270 degrees plus 30 more degrees. But the angle we want is a reference angle, this guy. That angle is 60 degrees, because there are 90 degrees in this quadrant, right? We've used up 30 of them, there are 60 left. So 60 degree reference angle, meaning the 30's up here. Where do you put those sides? This is negative root 3. This is positive 1, and the hypotenuse is 2. Okay, so cosine is going to be, I started writing opposite, take that back. Opposite is either adjacent over hypotenuse, or it's x over r. So in this triangle, that would mean positive 1 over 2. Try cosine 300, and there it'll be. 10 to 25, 0, 90, 180. Now, this is 270. We don't have to go that far. 225 is 45 degrees past the 180 mark. You know that because you can do 225 minus 180, and it tells you if you're at 180, you've still got 45 degrees to go. This is a 45 degree reference angle. Now, 45 degree angles, which sides are we talking about now? It's not the root 3 and 2 anymore. It's 1, in this case negative 1 because we're going left, 1 again, and again negative because we're going down, and the hypotenuse is root 2. Okay. Left and down, and the hypotenuse is always considered positive. So the tan ratio is either opposite over adjacent, or if you'd rather, it's y over x. Y over x would be negative 1 over negative 1, which simplifies to 1. And if you grab a calculator and do the tangent of 225, 1 is indeed what will come out.